Hola, it's Gabby here for Crafty Gabby, and today I'm going to make a whole little card for a challenge. I tend to do this challenge from time to time to practice with different colors and different techniques, and this one is totally out of my comfort zone. I grab my card base and my card panel, and I cut this rectangle and I make a frame in both, and I also going to do it again to make another frame from the inside of the card. Then with that frame I'm going to cut two of panels or two pieces of acetate, because it's going to be like a shaker card, more like a clear card or something like that, because they don't tend to shake a lot and you have to put very flat scenes inside. But as you see here, cut the frame that's going to be in the inside using the same side that I cut from the gray and my card base. Using this frame, I trace the acetate 2 times, I cut them, and I'm going to glue them to the card. Okay, after I glue the first piece of acetate, I cut these stars in 2 sizes, in black, gold, and white glitter paper. But I recommend to use just 2 colors. I think the white didn't look that much, and I recommend also not to use as many pieces as I use here. Try to use glitter paper that is from one side the same color as the other side. Like in here, the black is black in both sides and the gold is gold in both sides. After I put all my pieces inside in top of the acetate, I put more double stick tape, and I'm going to press the other piece of acetate in the card. And after that, I'm going to add more double-sided stick tape to the frame and glue it inside of the card. Okay, when the inside is almost ready, I'm going to glue in front of my card my frame, my gray frame, and after that I'm going to cut with cardstock in black a small frame that's going to be on the outside of this frame. Okay, now I'm going to cut in gold glitter paper This die cut, they say Merry Christmas. I have two reindeers in the size. I'm going to cut it in gold and in black. I'm going to glue them a little bit off. That way it's going to look like it have a frame. And I'm going to glue them in the inside. And I'm also going to glue 3 stars, one of each color in the inside, to give it a little bit of something else. I already have like a glitter explosion. More glitter isn't going to be any more damage. Okay, and because I don't have enough glitter, I'm going to put more glitter on the frame using my Spectro Noir shimmer pen in clear. Well, that's it. This is the card for today. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching my videos. Until next card. Bye.